question number 1. And as much as possible, we will continue question number 2 also. So can you write the heading here? That is uh, experiment on light. Experiment on light. This heading you write. To measure the focal length. Experiment on light to measure the focal length. Okay, so this one is coming from Winter 1941, question 1. Okay, and also write today's date. Today we are having 22/10/2020. Okay, after writing this, let's start. Can you read, Ziba, from here? Ziba?
A student is asked to find the focal length f of a lens. He uses an arrow-shaped slit in a shape of curve as shown as an object, as shown in figure 1.1. The
Yes.
object is placed at one end of the meter rule and the lens is fixed a distance u from the object, as shown in figure 1.2. The slit is illuminated from behind using a lamp. A screen is then placed on the meter rule so that a sharp focus image of the arrow is formed. The distance v from lens to the screen is then measured.
Okay, so here we have card. He uses an arrow-shaped slit in a piece of card as an object. You see this arrow? This is slit. That means the card is cut here with the, in our lab we have some knives to cut. Yeah. We are using that knife to cut the card here, arrow-shaped, so that light can pass through it. So the thin space through which light can pass through, that is called slit. Here one term is used, slit. Yeah. So if you want to write the definition of slit, you can write it. What is slit? A thin. It is especially used for light. This is the term used especially for light. A thin space used to pass through light. GH through light is called slit. Okay. Now, after that, we have here the object is placed at one end of a meter rule, and the lens is fixed at distance u from the object. That means u is the object distance from the lens. This one is object. This card with the slit is object. And figure 1.2, the slit is illuminated from behind using a lamp. Look here. There is the lamp, and this slit is kept here, and so that through this slit the light can pass through, and it's also falling on this lens. Then we are getting the image of this illuminated slit over here on the screen. So the distance from this slit to the lens center, optical center, that is called U, object distance. And the distance from the optical center to the image, position of image, it is called image distance, that is V. Okay, so here is written the distance V from the lens to the screen is then measured. We are using the meter rule for measuring it. Explain how the student ensures that the image is sharply focused on the screen. How the student do it? We did one experiment with light, and
By moving the lenses.
yeah, by moving, actually, uh, we have to move the screen most. Other than moving the lens or the object, it's better to move the screen, yeah, so that the image can be formed. Is it clear? So what
তো
we'll
স্যার
do?
আমার একটা কোয়েশ্চেন আছে
Mm-hmm.
স্যার ওইটা পাস THROUGH হবে না
Which one?
স্যার ওই যে the thin space used to pass THROUGH হবে
Yes, yes,
Obvious.
R. You, yeah, true. Yes, R. Please, R. I missed R. Thank you. So write this point, Ziba, what you said. Move
Yeah, I'm on the phone.
move the screen forwards and backwards slowly. By moving, you're right, no problem.
ইরাজিবা কি ফোনে
হ্যাঁ,
আচ্ছা এই জন্য
sorry about the
ফোনে
line.
লেখা যায় তো ফোনে লেখা
হ্যাঁ,
যায় টেক্সটে যা ওখান থেকে লিখ ইজি হবে
Yeah, text will be better.
হ্যাঁ ওখান
টেক্সট
থেকে যা
ইউজ
একদম
করা যায় না
normal।
ফোনে।
কে বলছে আমি তো আইপ্যাড থেকে করতে পারি ফোন থেকেও করতে পারি আমার এটা দেখ থাকার কথা
তুমি চেক
Yeah.
করো না, আসছে না রে।
By
খুবই খারাপ
adjusting the
দাঁড়া,
screen
আমি ফোন
forward
দিয়ে
and
ঢুকতেছি
backward, right?
স্যার
You
আমার
need to-
ফোন দিয়ে ঢুকতেছে আপনি একটু অ্যাকসেপ্ট করেন আমার ইয়াটাকে
হ্যাঁ,
What-
স্যার আপনি
what-
লিখেন না। It's very
আমি
hard
লিখতেছি
writing
স্যার
like that.
আমাকে বলেন স্যার আমি লিখতেছি
Yeah, you're right. So already
By-
first part is written by adjusting the screen forward and backward easily.
Forward and backward
Oh, slowly, not
Easily.
easily, not easily, slowly.
Achha, slowly.
Right, yeah, slowly. Yeah, the word should be slowly. Yeah,
নেন স্যার হয়ে গেছে
yeah. Thank you. It's nice handwriting.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার
Yeah, by adjusting the screen forward and backward slowly. Very good. Now we are going to have Aisha. Are you writing?
ফোনে পড়ছো? মুশি?
I'm on my phone,
Ball.
so I can't write.
কিছু বললি
একটা ঝামেলা ফোনে।
Aisha, are you writing on your paper?
Oh yeah, I'm writing on my paper.
On your copy? Yeah. So
Yes.
you please continue from here, Ziba. B.
Figure 1.3 is a full-scale diagram showing the positions of the object center of lens screen when the sharp focused image is obtained. Take measurements from figure 1.3 to find U and V.
Okay, you have to take the measurements from here with your ruler. Can you check how much is coming? If you are on PC,
U কোনটা V কোনটা একটু দেখাবেন?
it's written here. Look, position of the object, position of lens. So that one is U.
স্যার
You.
আচ্ছা স্যার
And-
আমি ফোনে তো আমার U আসছে হলো 2.2
Okay, then V কি
and that
আসছে?
the V is 1.5.
আচ্ছা, আর বাকিদের কি
ফোনে
আসছে?
থাকলে
What about others?
আমিও ফোনে
ফোনে।
তো আমার তারও ছোট আসার কথা
Okay, okay, you right. I'm telling you, you right. Yeah,
Okay.
Moshi, can you write on the screen? U is 6 centimeter and V is
6 centimeter.
yeah 6 centimeter. See, you write 6.0 centimeter. We have to show nearest millimeter. 6.0 centimeter. Then
6.0.
6.0 centimeter. Here you write in beside you. You write
দাঁড়ান
here.
স্যার, এখানে একটু প্যারা আছে স্যার, দাঁড়ান।
Okay, then
এটাকে ঠিক করতে অনেক প্রবলেম হয় স্যার। ও ধুত,
yeah, beside you
এটাই
write
হচ্ছে
6.0.
প্রবলেম স্যার। আচ্ছা স্যার, বাইরে লিখি স্যার, ওখানে অনেক যাইতেছে না।
Okay, okay, no problem.
আচ্ছা 6, আচ্ছা স্যার
6.0.
U equals to লিখে তারপর 6.0
Yes,
সেন্টিমিটার
yes,
লিখো।
that is good idea.
স্যার।
Thanks for your good idea.
ইরেজ করি।
U equals
এবার লিখতেছি
6.0 centimeter and V is 4.3 centimeter.
0.0 centimeter আর V equals to
4.3 centimeter. V equals 4.3 centimeter. Yes, awesome. So U is 6.0 centimeter and V is 4.3 centimeter. We got our values. Now using these values and this formula, we can find the focal length. Can you read from here, Ziba?
The focal length f of the lens is given by the equation f equals to uv by v plus u. Calculate f using your measurements in B1. F equals to 2.5 centimeter.
Yes. F equals how much?
2.5 centimeter.
Okay. What about others? You also got 2.5?
সো এটা ক্যালকুলেটটা করে নিই
Yeah, please calculate. Then tell us that your answer is coming same or not. It's 2.5 centimeter. Now what could be the answer of last? Can you read, Jiba? The last point.
Suggest one way the student ensures that his value for f is accurate by taking averages, like by taking a lot of readings of u and v and
Yes.
averaging them.
Yes, very good. Okay, so I'm writing your one by taking lots of readings of U, V, F, and then F. Afterwards, take the average. Okay, this is the way to get F is more accurate. Of F. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Aisha?
sir.
So this experiment is done. Now we are going to next experiment, experiment 2.
এটা বাদ দিও, এটা প্রিন্ট করার পরে করি।
Okay, you want to do it next class altogether?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
নাহলে পরে মিক্স আপ হয়ে যায়।
Okay.
স্যার এক্সপেরিমেন্ট কি গ্রাফ পেপারে করা যাবে?
You can do it in graph paper, no problem.
তাহলে গ্রাফ পেপার
কারণ
তো আছে।
আমি প্রিন্ট করতে পারবো না, আমার প্রিন্টার
Okay.
কাজ করে না।
Look
My কাজ
here,
করে
we
প্রিন্ট
have
নাই।
here
আচ্ছা স্যার,
one.
গ্রাফ পেপার থাকলে এটা প্রিন্ট কেন করতে হবে?
If you
আরো
do the
diameter
printout,
জিনিস
listen, why I'm saying, because in your graph paper there might be this, this squares, big squares. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And
তো গ্রাফ পেপার
y-axis,
ডিফারেন্ট তো তাই।
yeah, y-axis it has 12. So your graph paper maybe will not match with this. Then you have to make it compatible with the this one.
ও আচ্ছা।
Okay, that's why I told you to print out it, because in
ম্যাচ
your
করে না, বাট অ্যাডজাস্ট করা যাবে
in your
আমারটা।
exam you will get exactly like this. In your exam you will get exactly like this. So if you are doing the graph with this type of graph, it will be easier to do all these things in the exam. Practice, good
এটা
practice.
বক্সগুলো একটু বড়, এটাই ডিফারেন্স।
Yeah, but we can do in there, no problem. If you can manage it, then we can do, no problem. So should we continue it now or in next class we will continue this too?
ক্লাসে
Okay. Okay, next class we will continue question number 2, inshallah. Get the printout, huh? Thank you so much for joining. Allah Hafiz.
ওকে স্যার, আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
আল্লাহ হাফেজ।
বাই বাই
আসসালামু
স্যার
আলাইকুম।
Bye bye.